In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options available on this Xiaomi. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Now scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you will enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. When you finished, scroll down and tap on the switcher next to Haptic Feedback for gestures and system controls to switch it off or on. If you decide to turn it on, you can also adjust intensity of it by swiping left or right on this haptic feedback level slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!